Kylie Jenner made it to $1 billion. Can you believe that? Today I'm going to cover the 10 ways she did it. Welcome back to the success. Let's get into the video. Number 10, she is social media savvy. Jenner's entire life is on social media. That says a lot because she is one of the more private members of the Kardashian-Jenner clan. Well, according to her, she knows when to post, how to post, when to speak up, and when to stay quiet. She let the world know she was pregnant, but then never actually showed herself until after Stormi came into the world. She then released a video documenting her 9 months of pregnancy. A lot of Jenner's posts get thousands of likes and reposts.
No shells. Oh, there's a big shell in there. Huh? Don't worry, mommy's gonna save the day.
Number 9, she is the sole owner. One of the key factors in Kylie Jenner becoming the world's youngest self-made billionaire is that she is a sole proprietor of her company. She used $250,000 of her KUWTK money and invested in what will become the extremely popular lip kit. To this day, Jenner only has a total of 7 employees, 5 full-time and 4 part-time. Besides that, the only other person getting paid is herself and maybe momager Kris. Running a business is a lot of work, so normally people would need investors, but ultimately Kylie started her investment when she signed on to the family reality show and upped her social media game.
You got this, Mommy.
Number 8, cut off at age 15. In an effort to be more self-made, Jenner once stated that she has been working since she was really young and therefore her parents cut her off at the age of 15. Even if they did cut her off, at that point she would be good for a little while. She said that being cut off was integral in her becoming a self-made billionaire. She even went on to say that none of her money was inherited. My parents told me I needed to make my own money. It's time to learn how to save and spend your own money. Stuff like that. What I'm trying to say is I did have a platform, but none of my money is inherited.
New photo studio.
Oh my God.
It's Kylie Cosmetics. How is she gonna hide this when
Number 7, Kris Inc. sponsorships. Kris Jenner has been the mastermind behind all of her children's success and their significant others for the most part. Kylie received the same treatment. As soon as she got into her teenage years, she already had a clothing line and licensing deals and endorsements with the likes of PacSun, Steve Madden, Topshop, and Sugar Factory. Kylie also went on to launch a solo hairline with Bellamy Hair. All the endorsements and licensing deals blew up because Kylie was already a household name due to her family's reality show. Without his money coming in, she would never have been a billionaire this young, or maybe even at all.
Really cute. You guys, I look hideous. Why didn't you tell me?
So I went to
Number 6, she's controversial. Kylie has been accused of all sorts of things like being a homewrecker, ruining her sister's friendships, and even appropriating black culture. The young mom does not want to talk publicly about any of these accusations, yet her actions speak volumes and of all the blogs buzzing. Every time someone writes a story about her, her followers on social media escalated. Who doesn't love a good controversy? All their questionable behavior just made fans and haters alike want more.
I'm in your mouth, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Number 5, yet kind of humble. There is no doubt that Kylie and Kendall Jenner are more reserved than their older half-sisters. On KUWTK, Kylie used to always say she was shy. There were even scenes that showed Kendall having to push Kylie to do projects and jobs that were being paid for by the likes of Tino and PacSun. Kylie was too afraid to talk to strangers. She was even quite hush-hush about her pregnancy. Even though Jenner has a great social media presence, it's worth noting that she never really posts anything personal. In fact, fans are lucky they even got to see photos of Stormi.
Makeup products one day. I don't think we ever dreamed that it would happen so fast.
Number 4, she's likable. Hate her or love her, Kylie Jenner is relatable to all their young fans. She is up on pop culture. She shows her face at the right events, like staying at the MET Gala or killing it on the red carpet of all their sisters' respective events. She even dates the right people. Whether that last bit is strategic or not, we will never know and her fans will never care. The fact of the matter is, Jenner has the ear of the most social media savvy generation, and as long as she continues to make strides in social media, then she will always be the first for everything.
Boring, and I feel like I'm not normal, and I'm blessed to be not normal.
Number 3, momager Kris. Kris Jenner has to be a media genius. She wasn't a traditional manager before her daughter Kim Kardashian West had a media crisis, but once she got the hang of it, it was second nature to her. This led Kris to trademark the title momager and go on to manage all their children. Kris was an integral part of Kylie's success. She encouraged her daughter to use the show as a platform and make as much money as she could while it lasted. She even encouraged her to take on opportunities while the show wasn't filming. This is where a majority of the money came from that helped her to start up her biggest business venture.
Life. This is them normally?
Number 2, the lip kits. Born from insecurity, Jenner has to date the majority of her money to offer lip kits. She claimed on Keeping Up with the Kardashians that she has always been jealous of her sister Kim's beautiful big lips. She denied that she got her lips done and claimed that she used a lip-sucking tool to plump up her lips every day. Then she claimed she uses lip liner to draw her lips to look bigger. She eventually made a line of lipsticks too for people wanting to the same, and well, the rest is history.
And the top one's Kristen.
I'm here for Autumn.
I'm so here
Autumn is so.
Number 1, keeping up with the Kardashians. The number 1 reason why Kylie is a supposed self-made billionaire is because of the family reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. KUWTK is now in its 16th season and is the highest rated show on the E! Network. Not only are people obsessed with what these women will do next, even the haters of the show watch just so they can hate. Kylie Jenner is still an active cast member and at one point even had her own spin-off, Life of Kylie. Nowadays, the new mom is more concerned with being the best mom she can be for Stormi, and that's the goal for every parent. To be able to stay home with their kids and not have to worry about money. She's made it.
With, in order to like stay relevant for the public, I have to be on Instagram and I have to be on Snapchat.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.